Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is July the 22nd and I'm using my Master Scalper trading system. This system has the Master Scalper, that's this moving average that changes from blue to red. You'll get an audio sound and you'll get this pop-up box suggesting to at least go and look if there's a buyer sell trade. The Master Scalper also has these arrows. They're called the Super Signal Indicator, giving you an audio sound and again this pop-up box. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm looking at all the different instruments along with my daily trade plan. And once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. It just reminds me on the instrument whether I should be buying or selling. And on this first trade, the pound Aussie, clearly you can see it's a buy as it's going up. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. It's an expert advisor. You just attach it to the chart on the MT4 platform. By the way, I had some traders ask me if this works on the MT5. All my packages and systems, along with this expert advisor, everything works only on the MT4 platform. Now this daily trade plan does a bunch of calculations, analyzing from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. And eventually, within the comments here, it'll make a suggestion, either look for bullish trades, bearish trades, some will be preferred, and some will either say not enough strength or it's waiting for a clear direction. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are still struggling with your trading. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. And all my contact information is right below this video. Now let's take a look at these trades I've taken for today. On this pound Aussie, we'll just drag and drop this up. We have some arrows here, blue arrows, charts. Everything was saying it's going to go up, so I took the trade and it went up. Let's see what I ended up getting. Got out at this cursor, locking in, looks like about 14 pips, and that paid out $99. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound New Zealand. Here we go. Run a check on it, drag and drop this up. Another pound pair I wanted to be buying. There's from the daily trade plan, the super signal there and there. I knew with 95% certainty I was going to get something, and let's see what that something is. Looks like I locked in about 17 pips, paying out $101. Another tool that you should have, as it really should help your trading, I call it the FibMaster tool. You would just click on this tab right here. You would go from swing low to swing high. Here's your pullback, hit entry number 3 right here. And usually, if it hits any of the entries, it will or should hit target 2, 3, 4, or 5. And today, it hit target 6 and it's still working its way up. Can go to the ADR and beyond. Can even make it all the way to target 10. Like I mentioned, it's a great tool that you should consider. And if you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, just get in contact with me. It comes complete. It's a full course, 30 training videos along with the tool. It's a fantastic tool to have, and the reason why it works so great is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. And this Fib tool is 100 times better than the one that comes standard in the MT4 platform. Moving along to the next trade I did, the Euro New Zealand. Here we go. Another one I wanted to be buying directly from the daily trade plan, the super signal, the scalper. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at this point right here. So at this point, actually from right back here, at that point it did qualify for a great way to trade. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy. Looks like with about 19 pips, paying out $113. Now there's 5 things that you're going to need to succeed at trading. I have those 5 things written down in the description right below this video. And one of them definitely is you're going to need a lot of education, which I can provide. And of course, another one will be you will need support. After all, when you buy the system, you have questions, and if you can't find somebody to answer those questions, well, the system's not going to be of much value to you. So I do offer support free. I don't charge for that, and that is worth thousands of dollars. Free support. So remember that when you're buying systems, make sure you can get in contact with the person so that you can get your questions answered. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Crude oil pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see. Should be 13, so let's drag and drop this up. This is the only one, as you can see here. I sold it. Did qualify for a great way to trade when I pulled the trigger. Actually, way back here, from this point, moving forward, does qualify for a great way to trade. Took the trade at this cursor, knowing I was going to get something. And that's all I'm looking for, is something. Well, grand total of, I want to have at least 200 and or more pips and ticks. And every day I'm trading, I get it. So 13 ticks paying out $130. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Wanted to be buying it. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan did qualify for a great way to trade. Let's see now. Blue arrow back here, another one here and here. So I knew it was going to go up. Just a waiting game. Take the trade and wait for it to go. And it hit the ADR right on this candle right here. So closed out the trade being happy. Euro Aussie, looks like I got 52 pips paying out $345. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Let's drag and drop this up. Wanted to be buying it. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. So it gave one more push up before it did this pullback. Closed it out, looked like at a pretty good point. Very hard to get in at the right time and get out at the perfect time. Just want to catch something in the middle and do a few trades to lock in 100 or 200 pips and or ticks daily. That's all I do. Let's see now. The S&P 500 pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money here, divided by 5. Calculator says it's approximately 142. Let's see if I can go find that. 142. Getting closer. There it is right there. 142 ticks, and that paid out $712. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. Let's drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. So arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal arrow, did qualify for a great way to trade. the charts and everything saying going up, and up it went. Did a bit of a pullback right here at this point. By the way, this was 9:30 a.m. The opening bell. You can expect that, a little bit of a jumping up and down, but stabilized and just continued to go up. Closed it out. Again, looks like at a good point. And I took the money and divided it by 20, and the calculator says it's approximately very, very close to 100. So let's see, 100, if I can get around that. There it is right there, close enough. It's actually 99 point something. Oh, there's 99 point something, but it's very close to 100. Let's just go with the 100, paying out $1,998. So another great day of trading. And I knew I was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. I added up the total. Grand total came to 357 pips and ticks, and that paid out $3,500. So if your system's not producing, like my Master Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan and the FibMaster tool I recommend you get your hands on. Anyhow, if you have any questions whatsoever, quite simple, just get in contact with me. To do that, it's easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner, the word more, just click on that. A window will pop up with my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. And as I mentioned a few times before, it's very, very difficult to talk to the person who is selling the system. But if you have any questions, quite easy. All you got to do is call me or Skype me. I really do prefer Skype. And I made a link down there. All you got to do is click on it, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, if you have a computer or cell phone, we'll have a connection. And at that point, I'll be able to answer your questions. Or you can do it another way is just send me an email. Now, within the description, you'll find 4 different packages. And as I mentioned earlier, you're going to need a lot of education. I do charge $250 each package. And I have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. And of course, if you want a further discount, well, just leave your name and email address, and I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And within that email, I do have some special offers where there's a 50% discount. So anyhow, time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.